In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chat in Gmail, plus the permanent option to delete your Google account. If you're getting pinged by chat messages in Gmail and just want some quiet, the quick fix is to disable chat inside Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. A small panel will appear. Choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Chat and Meet. Under the Chat section, select Off. This tells Gmail to remove the chat feature from your inbox view. Now scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and you should notice the chat panel is gone. From this point forward, you won't see chat messages or receive chat notifications in Gmail. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and switch it back on. But as it stands, your inbox should feel calmer and more focused. Now, if you want a more drastic, permanent solution that goes far beyond disabling chat, there's an option to delete your Google account entirely. This is only for people who are sure they no longer want any Google services tied to that account. Deleting your Google account is permanent and removes access to Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Photos, YouTube, purchases, subscriptions, and all associated data. Use this option with extreme caution and make sure you're comfortable with losing access to everything connected to that account. To proceed, go to My Account, google.com in your browser. From the main page, open the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find Delete your Google account. Click it to begin. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. You may be asked to sign in again to confirm it's really you. Google will show you what's about to be removed and may ask you to acknowledge the consequences. When you're certain, confirm deletion. After you confirm, the account and its data begin the removal process. You won't be able to sign back in, and you won't receive messages or notifications from that account again. To recap, turning off chat inside Gmail is fast, reversible, and ideal if you simply want to stop chat messages and notifications. Deleting your Google account is permanent and removes everything tied to that account. Choose the approach that best matches your goal. If your only concern is the distraction of chat, disabling chat in Gmail is usually the right move. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you create a more focused inbox or make a confident decision about your account.